How to change apps icon on iPhone. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are bored of seeing the same apps icon on your apps, here is how you can change it. First, in order to change your apps icon, you need to tap on your shortcuts app. Now that you are in your shortcuts, you need to go ahead and tap on plus icon located in the top right corner. From here, you need to go ahead and tap on add actions. Now, from the option that appears, you need to tap on scripting. Once you do that, you need to tap on open apps over here. Now, simply go ahead and tap on apps in order to choose the apps. Here, I'm going to choose Binance. Once you have done that, you can see an option that says open app at the top. Simply go ahead and tap on that and this will open a drop down menu. From here, you can see an option that says add to home screen. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that you are here, you can simply tap on an icon that is next to new shortcut to. Go ahead and tap on that. From here, you can simply go ahead and choose the photo. Let's say this is the picture that I want to add. Simply go ahead and tap on choose. Now, once you have done that, you can rename the shortcuts as Binance. Now, once you have done it, you need to simply go ahead and tap on add. Now, as you can see that Binance with the different app icon has been added to your home page. Once you open it, it will open the Binance. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.